Let's make unripe plantain porridge, guys. I'm going to be showing you my 2 secret ingredients to make unripe plantain porridge delicious. If you try this secret recipe, everybody in your home will keep asking for more. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, guys.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day.
Let's give it a try. Let's try our food and see what it tastes like, okay? Let's see. One more. Guys, try unripe plantain with these 2 secret ingredients and you will not regret it, guys. It tastes so good. Seriously, it tastes so good. You're not even gonna know that it's unripe plantain. Like, the taste is amazing. Thank you for watching, guys. Let me go and enjoy this food. See you on my next video.